Hello friends, today I am going to share with you the recipe of aloo gobi ki sabji that is made in weddings and parties. Making it is very easy and it turns out so tasty that you will always want to make it this way. So let's start making it. So first of all we will prepare a masala just like they do it in hotels. Here we will take 8 to 10 garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger, 1 small spicy green chili, 2 chopped onions like this, and a few coriander stalks. Now here we have already cut the cauliflower. So the thick part of that remains the stalks we will clean and cut them into small pieces like this and add them too. Now we will transfer all these ingredients into a mixture jar. And now into it we will add whole spices like 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 2 cloves, 1 small piece of cinnamon and half tablespoon cumin seeds. We will add all of them into the mixture jar. Now grind these spices in the mixture grinder using pulse mode and make a coarse paste like this. Keep this masala aside. Now here we will take 2 tomatoes and make a puree like this. Here I have taken about 250 grams of cauliflower and 3 potatoes which I have cut into small pieces like this. So first we have to fry the cauliflower and potatoes. For frying them, first we will take about 8 to 10 tablespoons of oil. As soon as the oil becomes slightly hot, we will add the potatoes. We will fry the potatoes on medium-high flame, stirring continuously like this until they become golden. Once the potatoes are fried, we will take them out and now we will add cauliflower. We will fry the cauliflower also, stirring continuously on medium-high flame until it becomes golden like this. Once the cauliflower is fried, we will take it out and keep it aside. Now from the remaining oil, we will leave about 4 tablespoons of oil in the pan and remove the rest. Now into this we will add 1 bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, 1 dry red chili, half tablespoon cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon asafoetida. We will let these spices splutter well on medium flame. As soon as the spices start spluttering, we will add the curd paste we had prepared earlier into this oil. Now we will fry this masala, keeping the flame on medium-high, stirring continuously until it becomes golden like this. Once the raw smell of masala goes away, we will add tomato puree into it. We will also cook this while stirring continuously until it becomes dry and fully cooked. Now for dry masalas, we will add half tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 full tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon cumin powder and half tablespoon garam masala powder. Add a little water and fry the masala well while stirring. Now we will cover the pan and let this masala cook on slow flame for about 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can see that the masala has released oil and it is cooked perfectly. Now into this masala, we will add salt as per taste. Now add fried potatoes and the fried cauliflower. Now to cook the potatoes and cauliflower, we will add half a glass of water because we have cooked them only about 50% while frying. We will mix the masala, potatoes and cauliflower well, then cover the pan again and let it cook on very slow flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can see that all the water has dried up and our delicious aloo gobi ki sabji is ready. On top of it, we will sprinkle finely chopped coriander leaves and 3 to 4 green chilies. You can see that the potatoes have become perfectly soft and the cauliflower is also well cooked. So you also try this tasty aloo gobi recipe at home once. Everyone will love this kind of curry. If you like the recipe, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel.